How do you say no in Ndebele? You probably know it's hach or hi, right? But beyond that, you want to be able to say, no, I don't want, no, I don't have, no, I didn't eat or I didn't cook, things like that. Let me teach you how to say that in this video. Okay, let's start with the simple ones. No, I don't want. You're going to say, hach angifuni. Okay, because I want is ngiyafuna. So now the opposite, angifuni. Okay. No, I don't have. Hach angila. Okay? I don't know. Angazi. But if you want to say I don't know you, angikwazi. All right? Hey, do you know me? Hach angikwazi. All right. How about I don't care? NgesiNdebele uzakuthi angilandaba. Okay? That's I don't care. I don't have money. Angila mali. No, I don't have money. Hach angila mali. All right? How about no problem? You want to simply say no problem. Akula nkinga. In Ndebele, a problem is called inkinga. Therefore, when you say no problem, you're going to say akula nkinga. Angithi, you want to say I'm not available. People are making plans and they want to see if you are there at home or something. Angikho. Hach angikho. Okay? I'm not coming. Angibuyi. All right? I'm not coming there. Angibuyi lapho. Which is different from I'm not coming back. How do you say I'm not coming back? Angiphenduki. I'm not coming back there. Angiphenduki lapho. All right? Let's continue. Let's continue to say no and say it with confidently, where you just don't say no, but you add something. All right. How do you tell someone I didn't eat? They'll ask you, udlile? Hach angidlanga. No, I didn't eat. They ask you, ugezile? Hach angigezanga. I didn't bath. Okay. Did you cook? Hach angiphekanga. All right. Did you, what else could they say? Did you play outside? Hach angidlalanga phandle. All right. That's how we say all that. Sometimes you want to say things like, I no longer want, I no longer care, I no longer have. Maybe you've been the source of something, but now you want to say, I no longer have it. Okay, let's explore that a little bit. How do you say, I no longer want? We said, I don't want is angifuni. I no longer want, angisafuni. Okay. No, I no longer have. Hach angisela. I no longer know. Angisazi. Okay? How about I no longer care? Angisela ndaba. Remember we said I don't care, angila ndaba. But now angisela ndaba. Alright? How do you say I no longer have money? Angisela mali. Let me know if that makes sense. Let me know if it's helping you develop your Ndebele, and see you next time.